Free dental treatment by dental students, underline. We are going to tell you how to get your dental treatment absolutely free by having it carried out by dental students, full stop. I suppose the first question to ask is, is it really free? The simple answer is yes, it's absolutely free, it's as free as anything that you can get, which is possible to get free, full stop. How to apply, underline. Before you can think about having free dental treatment, you need to know how you can get your foot into the doorway, full stop. There are generally two ways in which you can get free dental treatment by dental students, full stop. The first way is where you are already with your normal high street dentist, but the treatment that you need is either too complex or too expensive, and you may then ask your dentist to refer you to the dental hospital, full stop. In this way, you can get free dental treatment by dental students, full stop. However, a dentist just cannot refer anybody to have free dental treatment at a dental hospital by dental students, there must be certain specific criteria on when and how your dentist can refer you to a dental hospital to have free dental treatment carried out by dental students, full stop. One of the ways in which your dentist could refer you, is where he or she has tried a particular treatment and it has not been successful, full stop. An example is, where you have gum disease and the gum disease is just not responding to the treatment that your dentist has been carrying out, full stop. Another way to get free dental treatment by dental students, is if your dentist refers you for more complex treatment, full stop. As an example, you may have a tooth where the dentist wants to have extracted, however, he thinks there may be a way by doing complex treatment whereby you may be able to save the tooth, full stop. However, this complex way is either too expensive or not even available on the NHS, so he may suggest that there may be a chance for you to get that treatment done for free by dental students at the dental hospital, full stop. Of course, comma, you cannot just have any treatment, you cannot just get referred for any treatment, as we have mentioned above that you have to fulfill certain criteria, full stop. New paragraph. The other way to get referred or to go to a dental school for free dental treatment by dental students is to literally self-refer, full stop. You can ring or even go to your nearest dental college, comma, and ask if you can be put on their waiting list for treatment to be carried out by students, full stop. Whether or not you will be put on a list depends on their policy, and also if they actually need to have their waiting list topped up, full stop. Usually the dental hospital will have a waiting list, and when that waiting list gets beyond a certain capacity, comma, they will stop adding more names onto the waiting list, full stop. However, comma, with time, comma, the waiting list will get smaller, and then at some point they will start to take on new patients onto their waiting list, full stop. How it works, underline. New paragraph. So, comma, let's assume that you have been successful in getting an actual appointment to see a dentist at the dental hospital, full stop. The first step will be usually where you get seen by a senior qualified dentist or a lecturer, full stop. Although you may have lots of students around you during this visit, comma, it will be the actual senior dentist or dental lecturer who will do your first checkup and basically do a screening, full stop. The screening is important because it will tell the dental hospital who will be the best person to do your dental treatment at the dental hospital, full stop. If, for example, you need a simple clean and a polish, comma, you may be then allocated to a first year dental student, full stop. However, comma, if you need something like a root canal treatment, comma, you may be allocated to a more senior student, such as a third year student, full stop. There can even be a situation where you may need fairly specialized treatment or even pioneering treatment, and in these cases you will be asked if you can see research student or a more senior lecturer, or full stop. So once you have been allocated a dentist after your initial screening, all you have to do is just to turn up to the appointments, full stop. New heading, disadvantages, underline, new paragraph. Of course, free dental treatment by dental student may be sounding too good to be true, which it is, to some extent, but you need to know the disadvantages, full stop. So we have talked about one disadvantage in that, you need to be put on a waiting list even before you get seen by a dental student, full stop. Waiting lists, of course, can vary to a few weeks to a few months, full stop. Sometimes there are problems with the dental school admin systems and you can be lost and go off the radar, full stop. Then you have to put your name back on again on the waiting list, or try to kick up a bit of a fuss so that they can put you right at the top of the waiting list and not right at the bottom of the waiting list to start all over again, full stop. One of the biggest disadvantages in going to see a dental student for your free dental treatment is the subject of time, full stop. A treatment which takes 2 visits of 30 minutes each at your high street dentist, will take at least several visits, even into double figures, and at least an hour long appointments, full stop. There are a number of reasons why treatment times will seem to take absolutely ages, full stop. So the first most obvious reason is that you are being seen by an inexperienced dental student, and therefore they will be very, very slow in carrying out even the most basic treatments, full stop. Let's take an example where you need to have an injection, full stop. At your normal high street dentist, the injection will take a maximum of 30 seconds and no more than a 5-minute wait before you can have the treatment on your tooth as it has gone to sleep, full stop. At the dental hospital, the dental student will sit you in the chair and then go and find the senior lecturer to even get permission to start on the injection, full stop. This can take easily 10-15 minutes, full stop. Then the dental student will administer the injection, and this can take easily 5 or 10 minutes while the dental student is being careful and slow and very careful, full stop. It is not unusual for the injection not to work first time, so then you will have another go and perhaps another go after that, full stop. By the time at a normal high street dentist you will have had all the treatment done, the dental student will just be at a stage where he has just about got your tooth numbed up, full stop. And that's the easy bit, exclamation mark. You can guess how long the actual treatment will then take, full stop. At a dental hospital, treatments are usually booked in 1.5 hour blocks, full stop. Even if you do need a filling, it is not unusual to find that after the 1.5 hours, the dentist is still cleaning out the cavity, and therefore he has to place a temporary filling so he can call you back for another 1.5 hour session, full stop. So the major disadvantage in having free dental treatment by dental students is the time each treatment takes, full stop. This is mainly due to the dental student being inexperienced and having also to have every single stage during the filling or the dental treatment procedure checked by the senior lecturer, full stop. The other thing to bear in mind is that, all of the treatment will be carried out during normal office hours, full stop. The appointments also will be just given to you without you having much of a say as to whether they are convenient for you or not, full stop. New paragraph. Advantages. Underline. New paragraph. Free dental treatment by dental students is the big advantage of going to a dental hospital or dental school for your dental treatment, full stop. You can save hundreds and even thousands of pounds in this way, full stop. Most patients think that the treatment that you will get by the dental students will be third grade, full stop. You will be surprised to learn that the standards of treatment is actually very high, and very often even higher than what you would find on a normal high street dentist, full stop. There are several reasons for this, which include the fact that at the high street, a dentist does have to work very quick to meet his overheads and expenses, and obviously it's like any other business, full stop. At the dental hospital, a dental student is in no hurry to carry out however long you need that treatment to be done correctly, full stop. The treatment is always checked by a senior dentist and only passed if it reaches a high standard, full stop. The other advantage of having dental treatment at a dental hospital is that if you need any work such as crowns, bridge work or veneers, or dentures, then you know that the dental lab who makes the crown or veneer or denture, will be working to a very high standard, full stop. Another advantage of having free dental treatment by dental students, is that you may be allocated a final year dentist for your dental treatment, This final year dentist is almost as good as a qualified dentist, because in a few months, hopefully, he or she will be allowed to work as a fully independent dentist on the high street, New paragraph. Conclusion. Underline. Overall, it can be well worthwhile to consider having free dental treatment by dental students, full stop. You obviously, as a patient, need to have lots of time and patience, as having dental treatment for free in a dental hospital is a lengthy procedure and many visits may be required, full stop. If in doubt, you can always go and be seen by a dental student, and if worse comes to worse, you can always opt out at the last minute and go back to your normal high street dentist, full stop. New paragraph. Finally, to finish off, we have known cases where a patient has gone to the dental hospital and has actually established really good rapport with a particular student dentist, who then on qualifying, will actually take on you as a patient when they go to work on the high street as their own fully qualified independent dentist, full stop.